In this video, you're going to learn exactly how to grow your own bookkeeping business and get more paying clients all through organic content marketing completely for free. At the end of this video, you are going to know exactly how to create, plan, repurpose, post, and generate more leads, which you will then turn into paying clients all for free. Organic content marketing is probably one of the best and easiest ways to get more paying clients for your bookkeeping business. And the best part is most bookkeepers aren't even on social media and most accountants aren't either. And if they are, they're not doing it effectively, which essentially makes it a blue ocean, which means a free market. My name is Navan and I've grown my own bookkeeping business to over 6 figures in total revenue using these exact steps. And I've done it completely for free. So without further ado, let's get started. How to grow your bookkeeping business and get more clients, specifically using TikTok organic. Now you can use paid TikTok ads, but this video is tailored around completely for free. So starting with number 1, social media organic. This video is going to be tailored for TikTok, but the steps that we're going to be covering, you can use it for YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, stuff like that, but specifically TikTok. One thing that you want to do is go where your ideal customer hangs out. What I mean by that is if you're targeting construction clients and you want construction companies for your bookkeeping business, then probably not going to be on Twitter. They possibly may be on LinkedIn, but for the most part, when you think about construction workers, if they're on a quick break, if they're waiting for supplies and stuff and they're chilling inside their truck, they're probably going to be scrolling YouTube, Instagram, possibly TikTok, depending on the kind of construction company that you're going for. So you want to think exactly where is your ideal client hanging out. And once you determine that, that's where you want to go. One thing that people do wrong is they create a how-to video. That's not what you want to do. So what you want to do is you want to create a wow video versus a how video. And you want to do that via storytelling. Now, what I mean by that is you want to story tell your solution versus telling your solution, because in general, bookkeeping, it's a pretty boring topic if we're going to be honest. Like, bookkeeping is not the most entertaining topic. So we can spice things up through storytelling. How do we do that? Well, first off, the hook has to be solid, okay? You've got about 3 to 7 seconds to hook someone in when they're watching your video. If they skip your video could have been the best video ever, but if they're not watching it, it doesn't matter, okay? So the hook is the most important part. You want to focus on the hook the most. So let's say our topic of videos, we're going over a trick that a company can use to save $5,000 in taxes using some kind of bookkeeping method. Maybe it's using proper AI software that tracks every single expense and you never miss an expense, resulting in $5,000 saved. So you may create a video with a title or with an intro of how to save $5,000 a year with this one bookkeeping trick. That's boring, okay? Sure, people are going to watch it, but we can do better. Versus, this business owner almost lost $5,000. Explain what the business owner did to lose $5,000 and then introduce your solution. Let's say your solution is the AI bookkeeping software that tracks every single expense. When I say storytell your solution, this business owner almost lost $5,000. 2 days ago, this guy came to me and said, I need help, so I did X. Now, what I mean by X, I just said it, that's your solution. That would be your intro. If you're scrolling on TikTok and you see a video of someone saying, this guy came to me and almost lost $5,000. That's more entertaining than how to save $5,000. They're both good topics, but the one that says, this guy came to me and almost lost $5,000, so I did this. That's more entertaining. They want to know, oh, well, what did you do? Tell me more. Okay, sure. So, the overall simple process to follow for the video is you want to have a hook, okay? So, this guy came to me, or this business owner came to me, almost lost $5,000. That's your hook. Then you want to introduce a conflict or problem. The losing $5,000 is going to be your problem. And then you want to story tell how you fixed it with your solution, okay? And then at the end, you want to have a CTA. Now, what is a CTA? A CTA is a call to action. I will talk about this more down the video, but a CTA is your best friend, but it could also be your worst enemy. We will dive more on that later. One thing that you have to do with TikTok is you have to stay consistent. You can't post on a Monday, post nothing Tuesday, post nothing Wednesday, then post again Thursday, and expect to grow or expect your videos to get a lot of views. TikTok sees your account, and if they see you posting consistently, they're going to push you out to the algorithm because they see you as a trustworthy content creator. They see you as someone who's consistent. And if you're posting good videos over and over and over again that people are continuing to watch, they're just going to automatically push your channel because they want their viewers to stay on TikTok for as long as possible. And if your videos are doing that, then they're going to push your content to more people. So what would I suggest? I say post 1 to 4 times per day. You can do 1 time a day just to start, okay? I don't want you to kill yourself and be posting 6 times a day, spending 12 hours trying to plan, record, edit, and then post, and then come up with descriptions and whatnot. If you can only allocate enough time to post 1 video a day, every single day of the week, then do that. You want to stay consistent, okay? Now, ideally, in an absolute perfect world, you want to be posting 4 times per day. And if you're going to be going 4 times per day, it has to be decent quality. You can lower the quality a bit because you're doing more quantity, but ideally you want to have both. You want to have quantity as well as quality. So 1 to 4 times per day is what you want. At the very minimum, 1 time. You want to do a 70-30 split with your call to action. What I mean by that is you want to have a call to action in every single video you post, but you don't want to have it being a call to action for your own gain, for your own business. So if you do every single video 7 days a week, at the end of your video, you say, if you want to learn more, then comment below bookkeeping or comment below books. If you have that in every single video, people may see you as a sellout when really you're just promoting your business. You're doing everything that everyone else is doing. It's not a huge deal, but sometimes the viewer doesn't see it that way. They'll see you as a sellout. Now, what I like to do is I like to have a call to action at the end of every single video for different things. So 70% of my videos are going to have a call to action to generate business. So if I go over a bookkeeping hack that business owners can use, I say, if you like this video, comment below books, or if you want to learn more about this trick, comment below books. Every single person that comments below books, I know that they're interested. Now, the other 30% is a call to action for other things, not to generate my own business. Okay, so they're going to be something like, if you found this video interesting or helpful, click that like button. If you found this video entertaining, click follow. If you want to learn more about saving more with your bookkeeping, click follow. Something like that. You always want to have a call to action, but you don't want to have it always about you. You don't want to have it always about your own business, okay? And one thing that you want to do, I'm going to add this here, don't have too many call to actions in a single video. Now, what do I mean by that? A person is almost like a baby puppy or a baby puppy. A person viewing your video is almost like a puppy. If you give them too many things to do, they're going to get confused and clustered and then just skip the whole video. So you want to have one single call to action for one specific thing. And those are going to be a call to action to comment or DM you, a call to action to follow, a call to action to like, and a call to action to share. You don't want to have, if you found this video entertaining, click that follow, like, and comment below. It's too many things. That's too many requests. The person is going to get confused or just overall just overwhelmed, and they're going to skip. Okay, you don't want that. Only have one call to action: follow for like, DM, stuff like that. Okay, so now we're going to go over repurposing content because this is a literal hack. Repurposing content is not bad. If you created a good video on Monday and you want to repost it Friday, why not? You're just spreading a good video even more so that more people can view it. And maybe someone who's already seen that first video and they see it again Friday, it reinforces the quality that you provided. So ways to repurpose content. You can change the content, change the names, genders. And what I mean by that is if you set a story where it's like, this guy came to me, or this Canadian business owner came to me wanting to learn more about this, you could say, this girl who runs a business came to me wanting to know more about this. Okay, you're changing up different aspects of the video so that it is a new video. And change your location. What I mean is, if you're always recording inside your office, maybe go in your car, maybe go in your bedroom, go in your kitchen, go outside. Change the setting and change the location. When you do this, you can talk about literally the exact same topic, same words, same whatever, just a different location. That's a brand new video. Okay. Now, only do this if you're in a pinch, and that is repost the exact same video and change nothing. Okay. Don't change the captions, don't change the sound, the background music, the actual story itself. Just repost it straight up. The only caveat with this is you have to have a brand new description. If you don't feel like doing up a brand new description, once, maybe twice, you can get away with it where you're posting multiple reposts that are exactly the same. But sooner or later, TikTok is going to realize that algorithm that you're just you're repurposing the same content, and you're just reposting exactly the same verbatim. They're not going to push that video. They might push it 1 or 2 times after you've posted it the first, but they're not going to be posting it after that. Just a couple notes here and some ending thoughts. People don't care, okay? Post the videos. It's 2024. Everyone's posting videos now. If you're scared to post, if you're nervous to get in front of the camera, everyone's been there, everyone's done it. No one cares if you post or if you don't post, so you might as well just do it. Exactly. It's 2024. Everyone is posting now. So just post again. Why are the richest people in the world now starting to post? That's a good question. If you're scared to post and you don't want to post and you think it's for kids or children or it's a teen thing and you're above that, why are the richest people in the entire world, richer than you and richer than me, why are they posting content? Why are they starting to build some kind of a brand online? Richard Branson, why do you think he's being so active on social media, whether that's Instagram, Twitter, YouTube? Now, yeah, the dude's a billionaire. He's got enough money to come up with a content team and they do it all for him. But at the same time, why is he taking that initiative to do that? Because that's where people are. That's where your customers are. Okay, this is my favorite part. You don't need to go viral. And this is what people don't understand. They think if they get 200 views on a single video is, oh, the video crashed, the video didn't do well, it sucked. That's 200 people who could potentially be your end client. If I have a video that has a lot of value and it's providing a lot of good and it's got a nice call to action at the end, and I have 3 people comment down, this sounds interesting, sounds good, I want to learn more. If I have 3 people, that's 3 leads. That's 3 random people that I didn't know the day before, but once I posted that video, I've got now 3 random people who are interested in what I'm talking about. That's huge, okay? So you don't need tens of thousands of millions of views. You just need enough to get people who are interested in what you're talking about watching your videos. You could have a video get 10 views, but if those 10 views are people who are interested in what you're talking about, they're business owners who want to learn about that $5,000 bookkeeping tip, that's huge. That's 10 people that you could potentially sign as paying clients. Okay. Next one is stay on one app for, oh yeah, that's right. Stay on the app for 15 to 30 minutes. This is a hack, okay? I don't know why, but whenever I did this with my TikTok videos, the video always performed better. Sometimes it didn't, but 90% of the time it performed way better. Is when you post a TikTok video, engage with other people who are relatively in the same niche. So if I'm posting about bookkeeping, saving tips, go and engage with other business content, like videos, comment on videos for 15 to 30 minutes after you've posted. I don't know why, and I don't know what it does, but every single time that I've done that, my videos just do way better. Hashtags don't matter. Yes and no. Maybe when you're first starting to post, you can do hashtags. I've noticed that the hashtags they don't hurt the videos and they don't make them perform better. So do them, don't do them. I've noticed that nothing really changes whenever I use a hashtag or whenever I'm not using it. So that is completely up to you if you want to use hashtags. Last one is focus on one before moving to 2, 3, 4, and onwards. What I mean by that is I see so many people focusing on a whole bunch of platforms. They want to post on YouTube, they want to post on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, they want to be running a blog. You only have 24 hours in a single day. Now, unless you have thousands of dollars a week to outsource all this stuff to, sure, but even then, you should focus on one platform. So, doesn't matter which platform you pick, wherever your ideal client is, even if they're not there. Overall, if you choose one platform and you get really good at that one platform, you're going to get clients. There's always business owners on every single platform. So this video was tailored to TikTok, but let me scroll up here. It can be the same tips can be applied to Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, all that. I would stick with video, okay? You can absolutely go to Twitter, LinkedIn, and start your own blog. The only thing that I don't like about that is bookkeeping can sometimes, not always, but sometimes get confusing. And if you're in a video saying the words, it's a lot more easier to explain the whole process. Versus if you've got a Twitter account and you're trying to explain this bookkeeping trick to save $5,000, that's going to be pretty difficult to explain that within one tweet. People like to read 2 sentences on Twitter and then move on. LinkedIn might be a bit different, but still, you're having to use words to explain something that's already generally confusing and people aren't really interested in. So videos, you can talk louder in videos, you can have sound effects, you can be moving around, more engaging. It's a lot more easier to have people listen to what you've got to say. So stick with video. No matter which platform you pick, stay consistent, okay? And yeah, just like I said, focus on one platform before moving to others. Doesn't matter which one. And that's it. If you follow these exact steps and you are consistent with it, I will guarantee you will sign at least one more client and you've got that client completely for free. So if you found this video helpful, I'm going to be posting more on a weekly basis. So what I want you to do is subscribe, turn on post notifications so that you're aware when I post and you can get more of these free tips. You can make more money and you can ultimately grow your bookkeeping business completely for free. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.